if you just see my face for the first time, my name is Chisom Okeke. I am a YouTuber based in London. Guys, what's up? What's good? It's been a hot minute since I came on here. I've decided that on this channel, I'm going to be as plain as possible. Tell you guys everything that's going on in my life. I mean, that's what the vlogs are for, isn't it? But yeah, that's basically it. I'm trying to get a job right now. I've been out of job for 2 weeks, and trust me, in this country, you need a job to sustain yourself. You need a job for 80% of the in fact you need a job, let's just be honest. So I'm trying to get one that is very stable, and just know that I have something I'm doing. But yeah, I just got back from my run right now, guys. I've been taking my health pretty seriously. I'm trying to take my health pretty seriously these days, because to be honest, it's very easy to lose yourself in this country. I came to this country, I don't go to the gym anymore. In Abuja, I would always go to the gym, but I came on here, I haven't even checked out any gym since I came on here, aside from when I went to visit my friend in her city. But I haven't gone to the gym, nothing. I'm really not taking my health seriously. So now I want to take my health seriously. I want to start going to the gym. I want to start running. Not really go to the gym right now because I can't afford it, because joblessness, okay? But yeah, I want to go to start running around my environment, do more running, more walks, and more healthy eating. Don't eat all this chocolate, because your girl is getting fat. Can you see my arm? I'll be adding some weight, But that's it about that. In this vlog, we are going to be doing a lot of things, but majorly we are going to be talking more. Guys, I'm just chatting with you guys because I'm just excited. I'm happy that we're talking. I'm happy that I can get back to vlogging. This school is on break right now, but I don't understand. We're not allowed to travel because of our dissertation. It's a lot of things, really. But yeah, that's it. I've got quite a number of packages I would unbox in this vlog, because I've got brands reach out to me. Guys, could you I know that some PR packages I request for them, I ask, but it's funny how some of them reach out to me and hi, I saw your TikTok and I want to reach out, and I reaching out for collaboration and stuff, and I'm like, you say what did you say? What did you say? What's that? You want to collaborate with me? From where to where? How? I feel it feels so surreal. I just moved here, and but that's it about that. But also in this vlog, guys, I want to change my hair. I want to reset. I need a maintenance from head to toe. And like I said before, it's very easy to lose yourself in this country because you're pursuing money and pursuing jobs and stuff like that. But under this cap, hey God, under this cap is a disaster. What did I say? Really disastrous, if I no way. But that's it. I actually want to retouch my hair. I'm waiting for my sister. She's supposed to help me retouch my hair and also make it, because I want to do a sewing. So I've been waiting for her. God, I look crazy. I even look more crazy than okay. Well, yeah. We are doing unfiltered in this channel, right? From now on, unfiltered. As it comes, that's how I'm giving you guys. But yeah, I want to get my hair done. I was gonna do it myself because my friends have started calling me do it yourself queen. I can retouch my hair myself. I have a video on TikTok retouching my hair myself. But yeah, I want to retouch my hair and also make it, because I have something something planned this weekend, and I have to go looking presentable. I don't want to wear a wig, really. I'm tired of the wigs, to be honest. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm just going to reward myself with a smoothie, because I'm in my healthy girl era. I want to make myself smooth. I've got quite a number of packages. I've got this one, and I've got this one that was sent to me. I'm just excited. I'll get to unbox them later, but let me make myself a smoothie and then fix the house. The house is quite scattered right now, so let me just make that, wash some clothes, do some laundry, and then that'll be it. And then maybe come back to my laptop. Can you guys see my laptop there? Come back to my laptop and start applying for jobs, because I must get a job before the end of this month. That's on period. Thank you. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Okay, bye. I'm so excited.
Take all of my problems away. break, I need you to stay, ooh. Take all of my problems away. You're the only one who knows what to do. I cannot stand us apart. I just wanna love you. I know that you still do. So tell me what you gonna do, 'cause my life's a problem without you. Be careful when my heart is broken. You know now I need you to trust me, 'cause baby you know I get the chills when I'm looking at you. Yeah, you know my love does something to you. Yeah, you know that no one knows you like I do. Baby, come on. Take all of my problems away. Just give me a break, I need you to stay, ooh. Take all of my problems away. You're the only one who knows what to do. I cannot stand us apart. I just wanna love you. I know that you still do. So tell me what you gonna do, 'cause my life's a problem without you. I promise I won't let you go. I told you 100 times that it was my fault. And you know the king needs a queen, and that's you. So stop playing with me, girl, I need you home. Be careful when my heart is broken. You know now I need you to trust me, 'cause baby you know I get the chills when I'm looking at you. Yeah, you know my love does something to you.
Powerful like shoulder section here on just tiny little finger holds. Seeing the athleticism required to push your limits here on this massive deep water solo wall.
Of each other. Oh. Finding a good fun thing. Guys, we take our time to make sure there's no slips, no mistakes. You don't want to make a mistake at the 15-meter or 16-meter mark.
Yeah, there's no place I'd rather not fall. 15 meters up this massive deep water solo. Come on, Ciara. One more. Cutting edge boulder, but this is no boulder problem. A lot of endurance required here, so you can see the distance crossing over. And one of the great things about this event.
Hi guys, what's up, what's good? Welcome back. like it's not like you guys left anyway, but yeah, yesterday I had the North Face event. I took you guys along. Obviously you guys saw, how people can be like, I don't know how. Anyway, but yeah, it was fun. Really, it was fun being there, seeing people show their strength, physical strength, mental strength. It takes a lot of physical and mental strength to get that thing done, I tell you. I really enjoyed myself. I had good music, just had fun, to be honest. It was really nice. I would love to experience something like that again. But that being said, my hair, can you guys see that I retouched my hair? Can you guys see how clear and fine I look? I retouched my hair thanks to my sister. She helped me, do my hair, and it makes the job easier. Like thanks to having a sister in the UK that just gets it right, especially with the hair things, because I'm really not skillful in that area. But my sister, I can lay wigs, I can do wigs and stuff, but you see, braiding and stuff, I just leave it to my sister. And that's why she's going to be doing my sewing today. I'm going to get a sewing done. I want to get a sewing, and my sister is going to get it for me because she has the idea and I don't. So she's going to help me do that. I'll show you guys the after look once we are done. But that being said, let us unbox the packages I got from PR, things I bought and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna open up the things I bought. Normally on this channel, our knife always comes in handy. So let us open it, starting from this one. I think I know what's in here, to be honest. I know what's in here, but we will see it, okay, and get the reaction. Okay, yeah, this is, you don't need a knife for this one anyway. Yeah, perfect. Okay, guys, I got the ordinary package again. So yeah, this is like can you guys see? This is the ordinary. I got the balancing and clarifying serum, I think. So this is what I got there. Wrapped. Let's open this up. Perfect. Like, so I got two products. Can you guys let this focus? Yeah. I got two products from the ordinary. I got the balancing and clarifying serum, and I also got the natural moisturizing factors. And I'll just open it up and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what I got. Focus. Yeah, this is what I got. And come on. Yeah. And this one as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna create content with this product on my Instagram and TikTok, so you just look out for that. Okay, if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, this is the best time to follow me. Okay. Yes, first package. This is second PR I got as well. How do I open this up? Ooh, yeah. I remember this brand. Yeah, they sent me a message. So guys, I got lashes from Mayhog. Yeah, I remember this brand. I got the Higgle lashes from Mayhog. I know it's Mayhog. I know they sent me an email, but this is what it looks like, guys. I'm going to be in my baby girl era. Like, I can't wait to do my lashes, do my nails, and look all fancy because I've been looking like a mad person. Once my sister does my hair now and I fix my nails and I wear my lashes, it's over for you people. Let's open it up properly and see. So I'm getting lashes in PR. Ooh. The last time I did lashes was in Nigeria, like when I was coming from Nigeria. Like, I really miss my lash deck. Like, this do-it-yourself life. Come on. But I have to do this one myself just because I'm going to shoot content. Am I really effective with these things? I'll find out. Oops, sorry. I'll get a hang of it, obviously. Ooh, it has everything in it. So yeah, this is a lash set. Obviously different length, I think. Yeah, and then there's a lash remover and there's a lash seal, bond and seal, just everything you need to get the lashes right. Okay, so I'll put the link to get this on my description box. It's obviously you can get it from Amazon if you're in the UK, and it will get to you. So this is the lash. I can't wait to do it and show you guys what it looks like. Maybe I'll do a vlog reset and stuff like that. So I don't know. But obviously going to post it on TikTok, post it on Instagram, I think. So if you're not following me on Instagram and on TikTok, why you not following me? Follow me right now so that you can see all these videos and engage with them. Okay. Next thing I got. Can't believe I'm unboxing a lot of things in this. What's this one? Oh no. I got this for myself. A new pair of shoes. You guys are going to see that later. Should I show you guys now? I got new red shoes because I want to shoot. Like, I have a look in my head I want to recreate. So I'm also in my fashion girl era. Like, I'm trying to get very consistent. Beauty, fashion, lifestyle. That's like my niche. I want to get into that. So I got these shoes. I think I just got them, Sha. I don't know when I got them, but it's been a while, so it came today. So yeah, that's it. So apparently that's like the unboxing, everything. I think there's like two packages that's supposed to come, but they haven't come yet. One is a brand, I think. Yeah, so I will catch you guys later. I want to go, wash my wig. I want to prep for my hair. My sister's supposed to make my hair and she's sleeping. So when she wakes up, I want her to get that hair done and just get it out of the way. I'll just show you guys the finished look of my sewing. I can't wait to be in my sewing era. And yeah, I will catch you guys later. Okay, bye.